pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store.
Welcome. By now you have pretty much seen all of my stuff at my desk, and you might want to hear some more about them. Awesome. Well, let's go through the specs of all my stuff. Here we go. First, let's start with my iPad. My iPad is the 2018 12.9-inch 256GB Wi-Fi only model with an Apple Pencil. This iPad is really powerful, and after almost 1.5 years, the battery is still great, and it has not been bent at all. Next, as an accessory to the iPad, I have my Apple Magic Mouse too. I really like that they added mouse support for the iPad in iOS 13.4. I really wish they add mouse support for FPS games like Minecraft, PUBG or Fortnite, because that would really be awesome. And if they ever do, I will absolutely make a video on it. Next, I have my iMac. This is my main machine, and I use it for editing videos, browsing the web and developing iOS apps. Actually, I just released a new app called Just Edit. This app is a video planner for YouTube creators. With it, you can plan your videos and also get some tips on how to succeed as a YouTuber. It's available on the App Store. My iMac is a 2019 model with a 27-inch 5K Retina display, a 3.6 GHz 8-core Intel Core i9 processor, 40 gigs of memory. I have a 1 TB of storage and a Radeon Pro Vega 48 8GB graphics card. Connected to the iMac, I also have a LG Ultra HD display. This is another 27-inch 4K monitor, and it's really nice. The iMac sits on a Satechi stand, and the stand is connected to the iMac via a USB-C cable. For my Mac, I use the Apple Magic Keyboard and the Logitech G Pro wireless mouse. In addition to mouse and keyboard, I also have my Blue Yeti Black Edition microphone connected to the iMac. It has a custom-made pop filter and sits on a Blue Yeti arm with a shock mount. This mic is really nice, affordable and works great for my needs. You might also have noticed that the headphones are hanging on another arm. This arm is not really there to just serve as a hook for my headphones. Its main purpose is to hold my camera when I record top-down videos. The end of the arm has a custom part where I can put a phone clamp. I'm currently using my iPhone X 256GB to record 4K at 60 FPS videos, and it gets held nicely in position using that clamp. The iPhone X provides decent footage, but I'm looking to buy the new iPhone 12 as it hopefully comes out this year. My headphones are the Logitech G Pro X with the blue microphone, and I use them for my iPad, Mac and also PC. These headphones are great, both for editing and gaming. My PC hides in the locker of one of the desk pedestals, and it houses all the parts in a fractal design case. My PC is a few years old, and I mainly use it to play games with my friends. Basically, it's an Intel Core i7 6700K CPU at 4 GHz, 16GB of RAM, two 500GB solid-state drives, and a NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1080. Connected to my PC, I have a BenQ XL2430T 1080p at 144Hz monitor. I then have another G Pro gaming mouse and another Apple Magic Keyboard. My office chair is the IKEA Järvfjället office chair, and it's okay. I do have two other IKEA chairs as well, and I'm thinking about making a comparison video about them, so stay tuned for that. And if you have any questions about the different chairs, you can leave some comments below and I can answer them in that upcoming video. Then the actual desk is two IKEA Morgus pedestals with one IKEA oak kitchen bench. The bench is then reinforced with some shelf racks from the underneath. Behind my desk on the wall I have some homemade soundproofing frames to reduce the echo in the room. On the other wall I have some Overwatch League boomsticks and also a couple of empty picture frames that I really need to put some pictures into. Well, I think that was all for this video. If you have any questions, let me know, and if you want me to make a video on how to make apps or some specific game or anything else basically, let me know and I'll try to make it happen for you. Thanks for watching, like this video and subscribe so that we can meet again. Bye bye.
The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.